Hello everyone, here I will discuss the F-4 Phantom fighter aircraft. The McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II is a supersonic, all-weather, multi-role fighter aircraft developed by the United States in the late 1950s. It is renowned for its high speed, large weapons payload, and ability to operate in various roles, including air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance. Manufacturer, McDonnell Douglas, now part of Boeing, development year, 1958, entry into service, 1960 primary users, United States, USAF, U.S. Navy, USMC, Germany, Japan, Iran, Israel, and several other countries, total units produced. Approximately 5,195 retirement from U.S. service. 1996, still in use by some other countries. Dimensions and weight length, 19.2 meters. Wingspan, 11.7 meters. Height, 5.0 meters. Empty weight, 13,757 kilograms. Maximum takeoff weight, 27,000 kilograms. Performance engines, 2 times General Electric J79-GE-17 turbojet. Thrust, 2 times 79.6 kilonewtons with afterburner maximum speed. Mach 2.23, approximately 2,370 kilometers per hour. Operational range, 2,300 kilometers without external fuel tanks. Maximum altitude, 18,300 meters. Rate of climb, 210 meters per second. Armament fixed weapon, 1 times M61 Vulcan 20mm rotary cannon on F-4E and later variants missiles, AIM-7 Sparrow, medium-range air-to-air missile, AIM-9 Sidewinder, short-range air-to-air missile, AIM-120 AMRAAM used on modernized variants, bombs and rockets, various guided and unguided bombs, Mk-82, Mk-84, Hydra 70mm and Zuni rockets, nuclear weapons during the Cold War era, strengths and weaknesses. Strengths, high speed and large weapons payload, capable of performing multiple mission types, air combat, reconnaissance, and ground attack. Sturdy and durable airframe weaknesses. Early variants lacked an internal gun, relying solely on missiles. Less maneuverable compared to modern fighter jets. Large radar cross-section, making it easier to detect role in history. The F-4 Phantom II played a significant role in several major conflicts, including Vietnam War, used as the U.S. Air Force's primary fighter for air combat and ground attacks. Yom Kippur War, 1973. Deployed by Israel against Egypt and Syria. Iran-Iraq War, 1980 to 1988. Operated by Iran against Iraqi forces. Design and legacy. From a design perspective, the F-4 Phantom II has a distinctive and functional appearance. However, its aesthetics and aerodynamics have been both admired and criticized. Despite its age, the F-4 Phantom II remains one of the most iconic fighter jets in aviation history.